Hello friends, this is your art teacher Archana Mohite. Today we are going to make a toy. This is a science and maths base. Okay, chalo, let's start. So we need a string, rubber, this type of rubber, a cardboard scale. So shape is very important. So we are going to make a shape. So children, this first thing is that you have to see that the size is perfectly done. So let's start. Now taking 12 centimeter. How much centimeter? 12 centimeter. 12 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter. From here I'm going to take 10 centimeter. How much? 10 centimeter. Now from this point a half centimeter, only a half centimeter, just a half centimeter. See, just a half centimeter. Now going slanting. How much? 7 centimeter. You can just draw the line from here, slanting only. Okay, this is 5 centimeter. How much? 5 centimeter. And curve this line. This distance will be around 6.5. Okay, this is one shape. Now one more, the trigger I am going to make it. The length will be 14 centimeter. Okay, how much? 14 centimeter. Now this will be smaller than the upper portion, 3.5 centimeter. 8 centimeter here till this point. Now this will be like a correct sign, so you will get the shape. Now I'm already cut it. See, this portion I need to. So first place your thing like this. See that it is fitting nicely. Okay, and draw with the sketch pen the outline. Okay, draw the outline. After drawing the outline, you will get the shape. Okay, this type of shape. See the measurement again I am showing you. See nicely. See. Then after cutting this with the pointed rounder, or you can take the, see, in the center. This is just a small finger distance. In the center I am putting a hole. I will cut one string. See, only this much. See, only this much. See this alignment. See how I have kept this. The curved portion will be down and this point should be here, and then you are going to tie this together. Okay, done. See, for tightening up this string, you are going to put the rubber first. See this, I put in the rubber, and then done. Now color it whatever you want to color it, and now only three fingers you are going to put a tape here. Okay, see this way. See, first the trigger is coming till here, so you have to stick the sellotape little bit down, not till here. See, till here. If you have a paper tape, you can stick with the paper tape also, but after coloring this you have to stick, and this will go little bit more ahead. See, only this much distance from this point. See, now whatever message you want to put it, and then fold it. So I've written here, how are you, missing you. So I am putting, and I'm going to send this message to my friend. She's next door. Because of the lockdown we cannot go out, so I'm just going to give her message through this. Just log them. See, this is the portion where you're going to put the thing. See here, can you see? Here you can put the thing. Bring this down. Okay, bring this down, put your message here, and then just click the trigger. Your message is gone. So children, enjoy your toy and have fun. Be safe, take care.